everybody. Sorry for the kind of less than amazing, cover intro. Yeah, I was kind of procrastinating this song too, but let's get into it. This is gonna be my first ukulele lesson here. I just picked this one up. It's kind of like a toy one, honestly, but it works, and I feel like I've kind of figured this thing out, so I'm gonna bring you guys along. So first I'm just gonna show you guys the chorus and the verse, and then I'll show you that little intro piece, and then that way you guys can play along right away if you're just getting started. So our strumming pattern first, let's go with that. We're just gonna go. So it's down, down, up. Sorry. There we go. So it's down, down, up, down, up. So. Anyway, so that's a strumming pattern. So hopefully you got that now. So our first note here, we're gonna just start on our C, and that's just gonna be one finger on the bottom of our, I guess it's gonna be our A string here. Yeah, so just one finger, third fret of our A string. So we're gonna go 2 times, and so somewhere. Then we're going to do our E minor, and it's kind of like a little staircase chord, kind of like, F on guitar. So we got one here on our second fret of our A string, then we got one on the third fret of our E string, and then one on the fourth fret of our C string. G, C, A, yeah. So that's our E minor. Then to our F. This one's going to be, we got one finger on the first fret of our E string, and one on the second fret of our G string here, our high G, I guess. Interesting. Then back to our C. So, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. Then we're going to go back to our F. So C, E minor, F, F, C, C, F, F, C, C. Then we're going to go G. That's our G. So this is our new chord again. It just looks like a D. It's kind of a triangle shape. So we have one finger. I'm using my middle finger on the second fret of my A string. I'm using my first finger on the second fret of my C string. And then I'm using this third finger here on the third fret of my E string. And you guys can do it kind of however you want, but that's how I do it. Then we're going to go to our A minor. And A minor is just one finger on the second fret of our G string. And then we end on F. anyway, so that's going to give us our whole course there. Just that C, E minor, F, C, then F, C, G, A minor, F. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and dreams that you dream too, dreams really do come true. So it's nice here, now that we've got that part down, and this is kind of why I wanted to show you this first. I think it makes the song quite a bit easier, especially to start playing along to. Those last 4 chords of that chorus are actually our verse. So after we go, so our verse is just C, D, or sorry, it's a D shape. On a guitar, that's a D, my bad. Sorry, we got C, then we got G, A minor, F, and that's our chorus, over and over again. So, see, so we got our chorus, right? Oops, sorry. That F takes us into that last bit, which is our verse. Let me just show you really quick. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dreams that you dreamed of, dreams really do come true. And then the verse. Today I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me. Right? So it just goes that last part. So we got our chorus. Then we have the last 4 notes of our chorus. Is our verse. Wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where sea melts like lemon drops, G above the chimney tops, A minor is where you'll fall. Nice, awesome. So that's our whole chorus and verse for Somewhere Over the Rainbow on the uke. And then last here, now we're going to add in that that intro, and then they have that little intro outro thing he does while he's going. Ooh. So he does that. So we got first, so let's go into that now. So we got this little intro, and this intro is really easy. It's the same, pretty much the same as the verse, only we're going to strum once. So we're going to do 1 bar for chord instead of 2. So it's going to be. So just C, G, A minor, F, then again C, G, A minor, then we're going to go to A7, A minor 7, then to F. So check it, and then F we go twice. So once, 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 7, F again. Yeah, anyway, so check it out. So that's our intro. And then that next intro and outro that he's gonna do, they're pretty close to the chorus with one little change, and I'll show you what that is. Okay, so the one part we're gonna change on that chorus for our little intro outro is, instead of those last 4 chords, instead of those ones that are the same as our verse at the end, what we're going to do is, after that F, we're going to go to E7, which is going to be 1 on our G, and then 2 on our C, and then 2 again on our A string. Then to our A minor, then to our F. And that's the part, and then it goes back to the chorus. So I'll show you it really quick. Then here. E7. So that's it. So here, I'll show you, that's the whole song with the that little intro, then that humming part, then you got the chorus and the verse. So I'll show you really quick. We got it. Yeah, there you have it. That's the whole song. You'll find me. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. There's Somewhere Over the Rainbow on the ukulele. Hopefully I broke it down nicely for you guys. Let me know if it's too much breaking down, or yeah, any feedback is mucho apreciado. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.